Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with the walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and show you a little bit more in depth of the interior features. The vehicle we have here for you in this video is a BMW 218i M Sport facelift. So of course at the front of the vehicle you'll see it's a 2017 67 reg and does have the very nice facelifted front headlights. And of course I'll point out the other facelifted items as we go around the car. Down the side of the car, along with all of the rest of the items, we've of course also added the very nice full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. The car itself comes presented in the mineral grey. You will see the 18-inch M Sport alloys which come presented in the factory option or extra of the Ferric grey. Down the side of the car we've added the satin side vinyls and our gloss black sidebars along with the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, trying to show you off as best as possible. This is a very nicely kept vehicle and all of the exterior is in very nice condition. Moving on to the interior, which for this car we've got the fantastic half Alcantara half cloth seats with the M highlights. So as you can see there, we get the lovely M logo stitched into them throughout, along with the blue stitching. As you can see there, they're all in fantastic condition as you would expect for a car of this age and mileage. We've also got the aluminum hexagon with Estrel blue accent trim. And we'll show you the rear seat configuration, which again for the 2 Series is the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central storage tray. And we do of course still get our fantastic darkened M Sport headlining. The car has a lovely 6-speed manual gearbox, which works very nicely with the configuration of the 2 Series. Moving around towards the rear of the car, again showing you off those very nicely presented alloy wheels, which come with the Bridgestone run flat tyres all the way around. At the rear of the car we've added a gloss rear diffuser and a satin rear boot spoiler. And if you've not yet seen in the rear luggage compartment for the 2 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space you have, alongside the fact you do also get these split folding seat options. And again, there you will be able to see just how nicely presented everything is, along with the genuine floor mats. Moving again round to the other side, where of course I can show off to you how nicely presented this 218i M Sport really is. And of course how nicely the mineral grey does of course work with all of the additions we've made here. Moving on inside, I'm of course just going to run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting of course with the facelifted dashboard display, which is now an LED backlit display, which gives you a very nice view. In my opinion, it really does look very smart indeed. Moving over to the BMW business navigation and media screen, which again, being that we're in a facelift car, does of course mean we've got the newer iDrive software, and we'll run you through again all of the major features of that. A huge talking point of that is the fact we've got the Connected Drive Plus for this car, giving us access to the online search, news and weather apps, all utilising the car's own onboard 4G network. There you can see the very nice navigation system, which utilises again real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Multimedia wise, you do of course get DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including USB, AUX and of course Bluetooth audio, along with of course Bluetooth telephone. As I mentioned, it is a 6-speed manual vehicle, so there you can see that lovely M Sport gear stick along with the fantastic multifunction M Sport steering wheel. In terms of mileage, again we've got a nice low mileage example for the facelift 2 Series again for you. It's covered just over 23,000 miles. And hopefully throughout this video I've been able to show you just how nice and clean and tidy everything is within this car. So for further information, if you check down below in the description, there'll be a link to our website along with direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. And hopefully guys, we'll be able to see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care, thank you and goodbye.